नमस्कार मेरे सभी सहयात्रियों, श्रद्धालुओं। आज हम एक प्रयोग कर रहे हैं। आज हम लोगों ने कई बार सुना है, देखा है कि वर्क विथ माइंडफुलनेस। उसका प्रयोजन ये है कि वी शुड स्टे इन नाउ, वी शुड स्टे इन प्रेजेंट। बिकॉज सारा जो हमारा सौरो है या तकलीफ है, वो या तो पास्ट में है या फ्यूचर में है। तो ऐसे कंडीशन में इफ वी विल डू एनी एक्ट माइंडफुली, देन our mind becomes still and we live in present and now। उस प्रयोग के क्रम में जैसे आपको प्यास लगी है, आपको पानी पीना है, जस्ट look at the glass and take a water of full of glass like this. Slowly you have lifted that glass and that will move to your lips, and visualize that a cold and the feel that some liquid is touch upon your lips. Then there is a gallop sound in the throat, and when the water moves from lips to tongue to throat to a stomach, feel the movement by awareness, by witnessing those activity. And feel that that water is came from the sacred Ganga or Yamunotri. That things will energize your food, your water intake. So by doing any activity mindfully, then your mind becomes still, calm, and that goes into your heart and then after your soul. In that way, your whole existence comes to a standstill, and you will enjoy the pleasure and joy of present, that is now, where there is no sorrow, no anxiety, no stress. Only one thing is there, that you are full with knowledge, you will full with truth, you will filled with joy, bliss. For mindfulness activity, you can also feel the temperature of the water, temperature of the surrounding. Close your eye and feel the sound, vibration in the surrounding. Then after, feel the temperature, feel the smell around you, feel the smell of the water, feel the smell of the food you are taking. By that thing, you can improve your awareness, alertness, and the awakening of your mind and your intellect will happens, through which you will live in present, and in present there is only joy, only happiness. So experience it, experience, experiment it. Thank you very much.